Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, this is a yearly award for 2024 for Technician of the Year. Now, there's a lot of technicians in our industry. It's a very hard decision. Some of them are owner-operators, some of them work for companies. It's been a very hard decision on who we decide for the Restore Solution Technician of the Year. So I've thought long and hard about this person. Now, this person works so hard. They work day and night. At one stage during this year, they were 5-6 hours sleep a day, just burning the candles at both ends, really working hard. But is very passionate too about education, making sure that they're educating themselves on the right techniques, the right processes, and not skimping on equipment, really looking at the best equipment that they can find to do the job correctly, researching that equipment, and really getting in touch with how to use that equipment properly to better success on the job. Some of the jobs that they've taken on this year has been phenomenal. Some of the outcomes have been phenomenal. So the 2024 Technician of the Year goes to Paul Shepherd from Chowbella Cleaning and Restorations. Well done, Paul. Credit to you, buddy. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep up. Can't wait to see what you're doing in 2025. And well done, and have yourself a Merry Christmas. And see you soon.